morning. Or what time is it? Good morning. My favorites. It's Saturday, December 5th. Running errands.
Yo, sir.
I'm not taking a picture of you. I'm trying not to catch the building. Likoa? I'm one of those Likoa? Ali button? What's an Ali button? What's an Ali button? Anyways, yeah, so we're off to Giant Tiger. We gotta get stuff for the house. We need curtain rods and curtains. And then groceries in the end. Marlon has to cut his hair. And he's more than likely gonna go to Niagara Falls. And leave me by myself.
It's stinking good.
Regulating.
Yo, turn that off. Yo, turn that off, man.
Soft sands where the sea of Cortez meets the Pacific. Enjoying one of the world's friendliest vacation
So yeah, that's what we're up to right now. So I'll see you guys when we get to Giant Tiger.
My house, because, well, that's how I roll. And the other is...
These ones over here are $12 too. Just get a nice black one. Yeah, just two of my use. This one's nice. It's a different kind of rod.
Huh?
How long is it?
Open it so we can extend.
I can do this before, so I have to go back. I'll be right back. Okay? Okay. So we found curtain rods. We're gonna use shower curtains and try to make it work. It was cheaper, so let's see how this goes. And I got a log ice cream cake. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for my cake. You don't even understand. You can open the trunk?
Yeah, I'm going to.
The stuff? I was about to say you have a bitch in here you're hiding. Why you don't want me to come in here? Hi, bitch. Sorry. Oh. Where are we off to now? Huh? Where are we going to now? Where are we going to now?
Turn that shit off.
Okay, it won't be on you, but I'm not turning it off. Where are we going now?
What the fuck?
Good driver.
Fucking. That show me hand. Actually, yo, trust me, man. Trust me. Trust me. Is that the time I drive truck in the car? I don't know that fucking just pushing out that side. You go.
Tell them how to drive, babe. Go. Go, man. You get too ignorant when you're mad.
Fucking bitch them the back of me too.
Uptown funk don't give it to you. Uptown funk don't give it to you. Uptown funk don't give it to you. Saturday night we in the spot. Marlon, where did the computer people move to?
I don't know. I don't knew those computers. My computer people and your computer is different.
So who did you bring your tablet to?
My computer people. The free market.
Don't be retarded. Because you're the one that made me know those people by your mom.
I said they fix computer too. You didn't have to bring it there. I know lots of people who fix computer, but you insist because you want to go on computer every time. So
no, I'm saying because you were asking, you were saying that the people them don't know which one is your thing. I thought that it was because they moved, they didn't know. That's why I was asking you, where did they move to? I thought you were talking about those people. Don't give me no attitude.
Fuck this guy.
My lashes are so
I'm
long.
not giving no attitude. I'm just telling. The flea market guy got so much, but I think he didn't pay mine.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? I'm good, thank you. You know, I'm just hurrying traffic and stuff, you know, because I'm going to Lorraine's house to do some laundry. You see, yeah, I'm gonna go do some laundry. I still haven't got my laundry card yet from the building management. I haven't gotten yet to ask for it in order to do my laundry in the building. So it's piling up. I was running out of underwear, you know, and I do wash them by hand, and then I throw them in the washing machine sometimes. But yeah. So oh wow. This fucking idiot.
Yes, it's gonna be such an amazing show. Danforth Music Hall intimate show, and you're gonna go. Oh my god.
This idiot was behind the truck, and the truck's four-way lights were on the entire time. I'm like, why is this lane not friggin' moving? Like, oh, who gives these people their licenses? Like, who licenses them? What the hell, man? So angry right now, like. And I'm like, why is there so much traffic? Like, kids should already be in school. It's 9:32. Like, kids should already be in school. There should be no reason why there's so much traffic on the road. Clearly. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go there and do laundry. So, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Yo, this is my song, though. Yo, I'm gonna insert a Snapchat of me and Lorraine dancing to this song. Like, yo, I fucking love Justin Bieber. Go Canada! People are probably like, yo, this girl is so crazy. Like, why is her lips moving? But then again, I can listen to the video, right? So that's I'm holding y'all kind of down here because I gotta concentrate too on the road. You know what I'm saying? Trying to look up for the po-po. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody trying to go to jail for y'all. I love y'all, but no. Is it too late now to say sorry? Because I'm feeling more than just your body. Oh, sorry. Hey. Sorry. Okay, bye, guys. Go Virgin! Hey, hey, get your behind though. Hey, yes, steady walking. Hey! I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past, I press rewind to see that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Murray boys, they know us. Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey. Tell me what you see. Is it money or is me? I'm like, Monty, can you be my baby daddy? I'm like, yeah. You be playing all my jams this morning. Shoot, Tegan and Sarah. Changing over it. Let's not get so physical. I won't talk, I won't get oh so critical. So let's make things physical. I'll treat you like you're oh so typical. Anyways, I'm at Lorraine's house now, so I'm gonna take out the let's say garbage. The laundry, I'm going there and do it. Lorraine, hi, when you see this, I'm at your house doing laundry. That's what happens when you have a key to your best friend house. Best friend goals. So I'm at Denise's house now, and by the way, Denise, your babysitter left on your outdoor light. Yeah. Current up. If it's top chat. Current tabon up. Oh, it smells like baby in here. Let's... Look at my Sunny jacket. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Aww. My little munchkin. I miss her. Get her tree, y'all. She's like all decked out for the house. Oh, I love her star. That, you see that bitch? I mean, you know, like Denise. I know none of these have my name on it. Let's look and see. Mom. Ooh, to mom. Nice. What's this for? I don't know. I know who this is for. This big box right there. I know who that is. I know what that is. To Josiah from mom. Wow. I hope I be seeing my name under the tree soon. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? Shoot. That's so cool. I never realized that when it records, there's like a little light. Like a little flashing red light. I've never seen that in my whole entire life. Anyways, my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my bonnet from Beauty Supply Warehouse. And I'm wearing my Tim Hortons shirt. Thank you, mommy. And I'm wearing my pink sweatpants. My love pink sweatpants. They're cropped. And then I'm wearing my CCM socks. Yeah, so let's go do this laundry. Lucky I'm not scared of the dark in the daytime. If it was at night, you know what I'm saying? Scared me for a second. I thought it wasn't working. I was like, what? Yeah, so this is what happens when your laundry room is upstairs. That's what it looks like. Road. This damn suitcase. I'm going to struggle. Oh, God, help me. I'm going to struggle. Oh! Okay. All right, let's just do this. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm missing more than just your body. Oh. Okay. I think I already know how to do this. I go, hold on. Wait. I think that's it. Regular 10. And then I pull it up when I put the stuff in there. What the hell is this? What the hell, Denise? Whose zipper flew off? Oh my God. Okay. See that on top there for now. So let me take out the... Oh. I ain't trying to be here for more than like 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? I got things to do. Yeah, closed. Okay, so these bad boys in here. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Oh. Oh, wait. Sorry, wait. Okay, wait. No. Let's leave y'all. Are you gonna like stay? God dang it. Okay. Hi guys. Sorry if you can't really see me. I'm gonna find something to prop you guys up because I'm using my phone and shit. Are you gonna see there? Hi. Y'all, I just got a hot dog. I know I'll be looking crazy and shit, but yo, I just got my hot dog. You see it? You see it? Yeah, so good. Woo! Yes. This is like the first thing we eat all day. And it's already like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I gotta get my ass home take a shower, and go get Zari. Even though I don't know if I'm picking her up today. I didn't hear anything, but more than likely. So. Don't embarrass me. You hear me? Oh. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Oh. I didn't mention it before, but I got me a Snapchat now. So if y'all be on Snapchat, y'all add me. I don't really know what my name be. I think it's ZO. That middle dash. Isha? But I could be wrong. I'll just insert a picture of something with my thing on it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'll be inserting that and shit. So y'all can add me. And we can snap. You know what I'm saying? I was like, oh my God, I'm not going to join the hype. Like, I ain't getting no Snapchat. But I got it. And trust me, the night that I got it, can ask anybody. Everybody was messaging me like, Zoe, why do you have to be like that on Snapchat? Like, why you have to be so funny? I don't think I'm funny. But I think I'm funny, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't know. For people like, if you're like myself and you have people that are always like, oh my God, you're so funny. And you're just like, what? Like, what is so funny? Like, I guess sometimes I sit back and I'll watch, like, especially like my Jamaica vlogs. And I'm like, holy shit, I'm fucking hilarious. Sorry, excuse my French. I'm hilarious. But then, like, on a regular day, I'm just like, I don't get it. How am I funny to you guys? But I guess it's natural. Yeah. But yeah. So anyways, I'm going home after I eat this hot dog. So, catch you guys a little later. All right. Bye. Guys, so I'm home now, and I'm just gonna shower, and I'm making Marlon some tea, and yeah, I'm just gonna shower, and then, like, you know, just relax for a little bit, and then go pick up Zari, and then I wanna run over to my sister's after, finish editing some more videos. I got to edit one vlog yesterday. They were all bothering me. Well, not all, just Tiaja. Not Tiaja, sorry. Sorry, Tiaja. Just Kashaya and my sister yesterday were bothering the hell out of me while I was trying to edit. Even the headphones wouldn't stop them from bothering me. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that. And then, like I said, after that, I want to try to see if I can go by and edit. Hopefully I can, so I can just edit all the videos that I want to upload this week. And then when Tiaja and them come home, they'll just upload it for me. Until I get my laptop, that's what I gotta do, or at least get my laptop fixed. I should try it actually now, since it's been down for a little bit. I should try it now and see if it will work. But maybe not. But anyways, that's what I'm up to for now. So tired. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.